Android car stereos from different manufacturers can have various default passwords for unlocking, accessing developer settings, or performing a factory reset. Here are some commonly used passwords across Android car stereos. Common factory reset or unlock codes. 1234, 0000, 1111, 8888 basic 4-digit codes often used as defaults. 123456, 000000, 666666, 888888 6-digit versions of common codes. 3368, frequently used for developer settings on Android car stereos. 1617, another commonly used password for Android-based car stereo systems. 1688, seen on some models as a default password. 7890 or 123,789, these codes may be found on devices with unique or regional models. 1983, 1988 or 1980, occasionally used as engineering or factory reset codes, brand-specific codes. Some brands may use specific codes that are consistent across their models. Here are examples. Eonon 126, 1688 join 3368. Pumpkin 7890 or 789512 TASE, 7890, 0000. Additional tips for resetting Android car stereos. Reset button. Some stereos have a physical reset button, often located behind the faceplate or accessible with a pinhole. Accessing settings. Certain models may allow resets through the settings menu under System or Backup Reset. Consult user manual. The correct password is sometimes listed in the user manual or in the device's documentation. If none of these codes work, check with the manufacturer's customer support for model-specific assistance.